Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm making Jamaican fried dumpling. Yes, so guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my Jamaican fried dumpling, and I'm using spelt flour, guys. So over there I've got a cup of spelt flour, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon baking powder, and I'm also gonna add some pink salt, just half a teaspoon of pink salt to that. But guys, before I start knead the dough, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please follow me on all social platforms at Natural Jamaican _vegan on Instagram, and Natural Jamaican Vegan and Facebook. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and please hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload, right guys? So guys, now I'm gonna mix the baking powder, and this is a gluten-free baking powder, guys, yeah, and the salt together in the flour, and then I'm gonna knead the dough. So I'm gonna mix it, guys, get everything incorporate together before I start knead it. So yeah, so guys, after I knead it, then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna show you how the texture is supposed to be. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead. Now that my dough is kneaded, guys, I'm gonna allow this to rest for about 5 minutes before I start shape it. So guys, that's the texture that you need. You don't need to have it hard, you just need to have it a bit soft, so because it's fried dumpling, right? It's not festival. And guys, I didn't add any sugar to fried dumplings. As I said, I don't like sugar in fried dumplings because it makes it burn and it doesn't cook inside. Yeah, it's like raw. I only put sugar in festival, but this is fried dumplings, guys, so I don't need to add any sugar to it whatsoever. All right, so as I said, I'm allowing this to rest and then shape the dough into dumplings. Now that my dough is set, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sprinkle a bit of dry flour all over it like that to form the balls fried, and then I'm gonna shape it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and shape the dough. Guys, welcome back. Now that I shaped my dough, guys, this is how it's gonna look. I just shape them very small, so when they're fried they look nice. Yeah, because I like neat fried dumpling, right? So this is how they look, guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fry. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hi guys, and now over here I've got my frying pan, and I've got a good amount of oil in there to fry, because it's a good amount of fried dumpling, right? So guys, you don't want your stove to be high because the dumpling will burn. So make sure you have it on a medium, okay? Slow, low, medium, low, low, medium, whatever. So guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hand the dumpling to the oil. So I'm gonna put them in, right guys, just like that. And my fire is on low, guys, because I don't want them to burn. So yeah, on low. So yeah, this is how I do my fried dumpling, guys. Yeah, you see they start to rise, guys. Yeah, you don't want them to, but if you like big fried dumpling, you can go ahead and make them the size that you like. But I don't like big fried dumpling unless it's double. Yeah, I like them tiny like this. I don't like them big at all. And this, see guys, it hold a good amount in there. Yeah, this is how I make Jamaican fried dumpling. Can't go wrong with some fried dumpling, right? It's not something I eat often, but I do it when I fancy it because of the oil. So there you go guys. So that's my dumpling in there, all frying and low heat. If you need to turn the stove up a bit, then go ahead and do so, but mine is on low heat for now. So guys, in the next bit then you will see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn the fried dumpling, guys. I'm gonna flip them to the other side because it's ready to flip. And as I said, my stove is on low heat, right? Because you don't want them to burn, guys. And when it's burn, it need to look good because it'll go around at the middle. So you don't want them to burn and black and then in the middle not cook. So yeah, so you guys, you can know when to turn it. As soon as you see the color start change at the bottom, then you go ahead and flip them over, just like that. Yeah, and that's how I make my fried dumpling. Now that's my dumplings are fried, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove them from the pot, guys. Please get some paper towel in a bowl so you could get out all the excess oil from the dumpling. Okay, so I'm gonna place them in a glass bowl. Guys, it's so soft. Wow. Guys, this is my final product of my fried dumpling. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give it a taste. I'm gonna break one for you guys to see the inside. Guys, the look is so good. So good, so soft. So soft, guys. And here I'm having it, guys, with some mushroom, spinach, plantain, and avocado. And yeah, it's nice, healthy Jamaican breakfast. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And again, I'm gonna repeat, hit that notification bell so you won't miss that upload. And I'll see you in my next video, guys, on Wednesday. Yeah, look out for that upload. Guys, I just want to say I'm grateful and I'm thankful for each and everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel. Just keep it, the positivity going, right? No negativity. So guys, I'm going to go and big up on yourself. Enough love. Keep support the thing. Keep subscribing, watching. Guys, until next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.